Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic sports cars of all time, the legendary Toyota Supra MK4. This car is not just a machine, it's a statement, a symbol of speed, performance, and 90s Japanese engineering at its finest. Let's start with the exterior. The Supra MK4, produced from 1993 to 2002, has a design that remains timeless. Its long, sleek hood, aggressive front fascia, and smooth, flowing lines give it a distinctive and aerodynamic look. The pop-up headlights were ditched in favor of fixed ones, and the large rear spoiler, especially on the turbo models, screams performance. Its wide stance and low profile give it a road-hugging presence that still turns heads wherever it goes. The styling is both bold and functional, with bends and curves that aren't just for show. Moving to the interior, the cockpit is built with the driver in mind. The dash subtly wraps around the driver, making all controls easily accessible. While it doesn't scream luxury by today's standards, everything inside is solid, purposeful, and built to last. The analog gauges are clear and sporty, the bucket seats provide good support, and there's even decent cargo space in the back, which is a bonus for a car in this category. It's minimalistic, but that's part of its charm, less distraction, more focus on driving. Now let's talk about what truly makes the MK4 Supra special, the performance. Under the hood lies the legendary 3.0-liter 2JZ GTE inline-6 engine, twin-turbocharged in the higher trims, pushing out around 276 horsepower stock, though it's widely known these engines can handle much more with modifications. The car can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds and has a top speed close to 155 miles per hour. The handling is sharp and responsive, with a well-balanced chassis and rear-wheel drive setup that makes driving it an absolute thrill. As for the price, back in the day it was a reasonably priced sports car. But in today's market, especially with clean, low-mileage examples becoming rare, prices have skyrocketed. Depending on condition, mileage, and trim, you're looking at anywhere from $50,000 to well over $100,000. Some pristine models even sell for double that. So that's the Toyota Supra MK4, an absolute legend that still holds its ground in performance, design, and desirability. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome car reviews. See you in the next video.